Power Quality, prepared by Engineer Adil Salih. Modern infrastructure, from highly synchronized data centers to critical hospital life support systems, requires a continuous and flawless supply of power to function. We often treat electricity as a simple binary state, assuming that as long as the lights turn on, the system is working. But mere availability is no longer an adequate metric for success. The operational efficiency and structural safety of these modern facilities are entirely governed by power quality. Because industrial electrical power is not a simple on or off, microscopic invisible fluctuations in the current can transform a seemingly steady supply into a silent, ongoing threat to your hardware. This diagram illustrates an ideal electrical current. Perfect power requires constant voltage, a stable frequency of 50 or 60 Hz, and a clean waveform. These horizontal threshold lines represent constant voltage, the precise baseline industrial equipment is engineered to receive. Frequency acts as the timing heartbeat of the entire network. It keeps all moving electrical parts and alternating currents perfectly synchronized across the system. Any mathematical deviation from these three specific conditions, whether a drop in pressure, a timing mismatch, or a distorted wave, constitutes a power quality issue. This ideal waveform is the engineer's primary diagnostic baseline. By comparing live currents against this perfect model, we can identify invisible faults damaging a network. Looking at this diagnostic chart, the first anomaly is the voltage sag, indicated by the red arrow forcing the amplitude down. Sags are temporary voltage drops triggered by grid events like short circuits or sudden power draws from heavy industrial motors. When the electrical pressure dips below the required threshold, the immediate physical effects are equipment malfunction and unpredictable system crashes. Moving across the diagram, we see the inverse problem, the voltage swell, marked by the orange arrow pointing downward at the swelled waveform. Swells are temporary spikes occurring when a massive load is suddenly removed, or when the grid suffers from poor internal regulation. This sudden excess of electrical pressure causes immediate, often irreversible damage to sensitive electronic components. The most severe amplitude failure is an interruption, shown here as a completely severed connection, representing a total loss of power supply. Whether an interruption lasts milliseconds or spans several hours, this sudden loss of supply results in major production downtime and corrupted operational data. Sags, swells, and interruptions are predictable, measurable mechanical events. When they occur, they instantly compromise system availability. Shifting from amplitude, the diagram highlights issues of waveform purity, specifically harmonics. These high-frequency distortions overlaid on the primary waveform are generated by nonlinear loads, including computers, LED lighting networks, and variable frequency drives. Because these nonlinear loads draw current in abrupt pulses, they severely distort the sine wave. Over time, this dirty power reduces overall system efficiency, forces transformers to absorb extreme stress, and causes severe overheating. Another form of distortion is flicker. This occurs when rapid, continuous voltage fluctuations cause visible, rapid changes in the luminosity of lighting systems. While flicker immediately causes eye strain for personnel, on a mechanical level, it introduces continuous instability into your sensitive diagnostic equipment. Where sags and swells cause sudden hardware crashes, waveform distortions like harmonics inflict a slow, persistent thermal destruction on an electrical infrastructure. These anomalies originate from distinct sources. External triggers include lightning strikes, grid faults, and utility switching operations. Internal sources stem from faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, or the operation of heavy industrial machinery within the facility itself. This central red funnel illustrates how unmitigated issues accumulate into severe consequences. The top half shows physical impacts like equipment failure and high fire risks. The bottom half categorizes operational impacts, manifesting as critical data loss and cascading financial deficits. When hardware burns out and data centers go offline, production stops. Poor power quality is a direct mathematical threat to the financial survival of any modern industrial operation. To neutralize disruptions, engineers deploy specific hardware under power quality solutions. Voltage regulators maintain stable pressure levels. UPS systems provide immediate backup power against interruptions. Harmonic filters cleanse waveform distortions. Finally, surge protectors clamp down on high-voltage transients and lightning strikes. Beyond add-on hardware, the non-negotiable foundation of system defense is proper earthing. A precisely engineered ground path reduces electrical noise and guarantees operational safety. Protecting a facility is an exercise in exact matching. Hardware selection requires precise engineering mapping of the correct physical solution to the specific electrical symptom. Because these faults are largely invisible to the naked eye, modern facilities rely on real-time monitoring. Power analyzers, smart meters, and SCADA systems track the waveform around the clock to detect anomalies instantly. As global infrastructure integrates more decentralized renewable sources like solar and wind, alongside massive networks of electric vehicles, managing grid stability becomes vastly more complex. Eliminating fluctuations preserves the physical integrity of the hardware. The direct results are longer equipment lifespans and significantly lower operational maintenance costs. Managing raw energy through these precise filtration and mitigation solutions is the absolute baseline requirement for operating future smart grids. High-fidelity power is the prerequisite for automation, massive data storage, and modern healthcare. Investing in power quality solutions is a strict necessity for the survival of modern electrical systems.